I'm standing here in front of 3131 Capri Drive on the west side of Idaho Falls. This is a brand new subdivision out by the soccer complexes. These homes are just being finished and the yards will be done shortly. So we're gonna walk inside the front here. This is April 2018. So as we walk in, it's got the nice wood in the entry and down all the walkways. Nice big windows for lots of light in here and gorgeous two-tone paint. So off to your right here is the kitchen area, the dining. Really pretty colors in here, stainless appliances. In the corner here, you can't see it, but we'll walk back and here's the pantry's really big. Lots of space in there. Right here off to your left, this is the mudroom that you come into off of the garage. Here's your laundry room. So you have your separate laundry from the hall into a two-car garage. Okay. Nice big room. Like I said, the big tall ceilings. Here's a storage closet right here in the entry. And this one actually has coat hooks, which I think is a great idea, just to hang your coats up in there. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bath home with an unfinished basement. And all of these rooms are very large, spacious, very bright with all of the windows. Here's your bathroom off to the left here. And then right here we walk into the master room, which has a large walk-in closet. And the bathroom in here has the taller cabinets and the rounded one-piece tub. So we'll walk back out here and down the hall into the basement. And this is a full unfinished basement down here, so there is lots of storage space downstairs. Come down here, off to the left here, goes all the way back, and all the way back this way. So this is HRG. If you have any questions, give us a call, 208-552-7368.